Here I've got Sharp C10 and let me show you how to activate eye protection mode on the following device. So at first you have to slide down the upper bar, locate eye protection icon, here it is, simply click on it, and that's it. As you can see, now your device is in eye protection mode, so your eyes will feel definitely way more comfy. Then if you'd like to switch it off, just the same way, simply by tapping you can deactivate it. You can also schedule your eye protection mode through the settings, so open the settings at first, then find and pick display. Here you should go to eye protection mode, and now click on timing eye shield and select the period of time on which it should be active. So let me pick 8 till 6 a.m. next day, and from now on every day between 8 p.m. and 6 a.m. next day, eye protection mode will be active. If you would like to activate smart eyes, simply click here to activate this function, and then you can switch it off the same way. So that would be all. This is how you can use eye protection mode in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.